Which one of the following molecules cause catabolite repression of lac-operon? Option A, arabinose. Option B, galactose. Option C, glucose. Or option D, lactose. So, the correct answer would be option C. In case of lac-operon, when glucose is present, it leads to low level of cyclic AMP in the cell. CAMP is required for the activation of lac-operon because it binds to CAMP receptor protein or CRP protein, forming a complex that promotes the transcription of lac-operon. When glucose is available, the low CAMP levels prevent the CRP-CAMP complex from forming, thereby repressing the lac-operon and reducing the expression of genes necessary for lactose metabolism.